Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to create 3D text within PrintUP. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program. So now in the previous video, we looked at how to import some DXF graphics or the NC as well. Now we're going to be looking at our second method of getting a 3D model in here, and that is to create text. So we can now make our own. So that means we don't need to go into any other program, which is convenient. So if you don't have any experience regarding making DXF files or some classic STL or OBJ 3D modeling, then you can simply go right in the program and make some files. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add something from our model main menu. So we want to go to main menu, go model, and then you'll see we have this option here, create word model. So when I click that, it will pop up this dialog with a few different options. Now on the right here, we've got a preview of what's happening. We have our font right on top. We've got italic, thickness, the actual letter, and then a few settings at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is let's just add A. So you can see here we've got a letter popping up. Now currently it only works for one letter, so I can't add more at a time. I have to afterwards add another letter, and then we can go from the top one, select the font. Got a few different ones here where you can choose from, and then I think I'll just go with this one, keep it fancy. Then we have some options where you can make it italic and thickness, but keep in mind this will only work with certain fonts. So like on this font, if I go italic, you'll see it turns the text italic, or if I go thickness, so it's kind of like making it bold, you can say. So but for my case, I'm going to take a top one and just add a thickness. Then under that we have a few different settings. So we've got the model size, this is the overall size this thing's going to be. Then we've got the model height. So at the moment it's 40, let's make it 30, so it's a bit lower than the previous one we did. And then we've got the chamfer distance, height, and passivation. Those the ones we're going to be looking at, these three, or actually two, we're going to be looking at in another video, as that is relevant to the other model or importing DXF as well. So now what I'm going to do is I simply say okay, we'll generate our letter, and as you can see here we've got our letter in. I'm just going to quickly scale this up so we can have a better view of it. Now it has already done a form of chamfering and that, which yeah, I would prefer if it didn't, but yeah, it did. So to fix that, what I can do is I can simply just quickly delete this. Then we go again, model, create word, I'm gonna get A, change the font, I'll do all of this quick, thickness, and then I'm just going to put the chamfering to 0 and the height as well, 0 0. Say okay, there we go, we've got our model, and scale is up so you guys can see what's happening. So yeah, don't worry because it's red, I'll explain later what that means. So there we have our lettering in. So now you can use this to make a nice custom design. Obviously you probably want to make sure the letter is kind of like a relevant height. So unless you're going for something really tall like that, but in most cases it's got a print height limit. But yeah, otherwise that is it on adding actual custom text as 3D models. Like I say, a great part about this is you never have to really leave the program. You can simply just stay right in here and design 3D letters or channel letters. But yeah, before we get on to the next method, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.